Good morning, everyone. My name is Leela Manikrishna and my roll number is 5I0. I am from CSCC. Today, I am going to present a seminar from the subject problem solving using Python, and I have taken the topic sets in Python. So, I'm going to discuss how to create a set and what are sets and Python set methods briefly. So, the topic is sets in Python. And the topics that I am going to discuss in today's session is what is a set in Python? What are the applications of sets in Python? How to create a sets in Python? Python set methods. Basically, there are 12 methods. They are add, update, remove, discard, pop, clear, each disjoint, each subset, len, sorted, and there are other two methods, namely min and max. So firstly, what is a set in Python? Basically, set is a data type. So set is an unordered collection of elements, much like a set in mathematics. So like in mathematics, in Python also set is a collection of unordered elements. So we can store various data type elements in the set. A set is basically a data structure consisting of unordered elements, unique elements, unindexed elements. Moreover, a set does not accept duplicate elements. So the basic thing is set will not accept duplicate elements. So it will accept only one element one time, that is unique elements. There are two subtypes in sets. So the first type is set data type and the second one is frozen set data type. Now I'm going to discuss only about set data type. So for example, s equal to 1 comma n comma 7.9. Here 1 is an integer and n is a string, 7.9 is a float. So it is a collection of unordered elements and different data types. So it is a set. So if we want to access the second element, that is s of 1, it will return a type error because set elements are unindexed. So we cannot access elements in the set by index. Next, how can we perform slicing on sets? I guess we cannot perform. No, we can't perform slicing on sets because set contains unindexed elements. What are the applications of sets in Python? There are many applications like union, difference, intersection, and symmetric difference. So this is the basic thing about sets, which we should know. So the next one is how to create sets in Python. Basically, there are two methods to create sets in Python. The first method is using flower braces. So we should enclose all the elements present in the set using flower braces, and each element is separated by commas. The string should be enclosed with single or double or triple quotes. So the syntax is set name equal to within the flower braces, we should enter all the elements separated with commas. So next using set constructor. So the syntax for set constructor is set of parentheses and within the square brackets, we should enter the elements. So we can see the example also. So comma is used to separate the elements in the set and strings should be enclosed within single or double or triple quotes. So next, the main set methods. I have already told you that there are 12 methods in sets. First one is add method. The add method adds a given element to a set. So it just adds the given specified element into the set. If the element is already present, it does not add any element. As we have already know, set will not accept duplicate elements. So if a particular element is present and if we are trying to add the same element in the set, it will not add. So syntax is set dot add of element. So set is a set name equal to dot add of element. So ELEM, the element that is to be added to the set. Add method does not add the element to the set if it's already present in it. I have already told you. So the above statement doesn't return a reference to the set but none. So now I'll explain an example on this add method. So let's consider this example. I have taken the set vowel and it consists A, E, I, U. Now I want to add the element O. So set name dot add of, within the parenthesis I'm keeping the element. So print of vowel. Then what we'll get? We'll get A E I O U. Next vowel dot add of A. As the A is already present, it will not add anything. So it will print the same. Now printing of vowel, it will be the same. Vowel equal to vowel dot add of B. Print vowel. Now with A E I O U, B will also be added. Now let's see the output. So the first, if we return AEIOU, first if we add O, it will return AEIOU, and then next it will return AEIOU, and the third, see generally vowel will not be, it cannot be changed. So we should not place the variable name here and perform the same action. Then it will return none value. So this is all about add method. And the second method I want to discuss is update method. Update method, the Python set update method updates the set, adding list to the list items from other iterables. Generally, other iterables means it can be list or set or dictionary or string. So we are adding the items which are present in the other iterables to the given set. So the syntax for this is a dot update of iterable. So if we take an example, a dot update of iterable of 1 comma iterable of 2 comma iterable of 3, the elements which are present in the iterables 1, 2 and 3 will be added to the set A. So now I will explain with an example. Set update method. So I have considered a set A equal to 1, 2, 3, and I have taken list B equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30. Now printing the A, it will display 1, 2, 3, and printing the B will display 10, 20 and 30. So now I am updating A value with the help of B value. So A dot update of B. So the elements which are present in the set in the list B will be updated to the set A. Then if I print A, it will display everything. And like previous, if we take A equal to A dot update, it will return none value. So let's see the output. Firstly, I'm printing A. So it will print 1, 2, 3, and printing B will represent 10, 20 and 30. And I'm updating A value with the help of B value. So the elements which are present in B will be updated to the set A. So I'll get 10, 1, 2, 3, 10, 20, 30. So in the last case, we'll get none. So this is all about set add and set update methods. And the third method I want to discuss is set remove. Remove method. The remove method removes the specified element from the set. So we have to specify an element and it will be removed from the given set. So syntax is set dot remove element. The remove method takes a single element as an argument and removes it from the set. If the argument is not present, so we should note this point. If the argument is not present, it will return error. It will generate an error. So to avoid this error, we have another method called discard method. So the discard method works as same as set remove method, but the one difference between discard and remove is, so in remove, if the element given is not present in the set, it will generate an error. But in the discard method, if the given element is not present in this set, then it will not generate an error. Just it will neglect that. So that is a basic difference. And syntax is set dot discard, and for the previous one is set dot remove element. So let us see an example. Set remove method. I have taken a set L and printing the same. L dot remove max, as max is already present. It will be removed and it will print without max. And L equal to L dot remove of chemistry. Next printing L dot. So here L equal to means it will generate a none value, and L dot remove DLT, as DLT is not present, it will generate an error. So you see the output. So max is printed And by removing the max, second one is printed. The third one, LD equal to L dot, it will print none. In the fourth one, we'll get an error. So to avoid this, we use discard method in the same. First P, printing the P, discarding 5 from the P, again printing, discarding 10. As 10 is not present, it will neglect it. P equal to P dot will get none. So the same is the output. And the next method is pop method. Basically, pop method is used to remove an arbitrary element from the set and returns the removed element. It removes the first element in the sets and it follows the order first in, first out. So syntax is set dot pop of parenthesis. Pop method doesn't remove any argument, doesn't take any arguments. So with an example for pop method, v equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Print return value is v dot pop. So the popped element will be displayed on the screen. So the return value is 1, first in, first out. The first element it will remove, and the resultant set will be excluding the first one. And the next method is clear method. Clear method removes all the elements from the set. So the elements present in the set will be removed and it will display an empty set. So syntax is set dot clear. With an example, briefly, VAAOU print v dot clear. See here, v is the given set, and we, as we are applying clear method, the set will be empty. And the next method is disjoint. From the definition, we can understand that disjoint means when the both sets are not, when the elements present in the sets are not common, then it will return true value. That is, if they are disjoint, it returns a true value. If not, it returns false value. So the disjoint method returns true if the two sets are disjoint sets. If not, returns false. And the syntax is set A dot each disjoint of set B. So with an example briefly, for each disjoint. So I have given two set. One is set and the other is list. So it can be anything. So the third one is a string. So are A and B disjoint? A dot is disjoint of B. So there is a B. There is an element B common in both A and B. So they are not disjoint and returns false value for A and B. And if you consider A and C, GH, JKL. So there is nothing common in both. So it will return true value. First one is false and the other and second one is true. And the next method is similar to this one, which is E subset. The Venn diagram, you can understand that A is present totally in the B. So A is subset of B. So if it happens like that, if one element, if one set is totally subset to other set, it will return true. Here, the above code says A is subset of B. First, from the syntax, the first given one is subset of the second one. So if it satisfies the given condition, it will return true value. Otherwise, it will return false value. From the example, so I have taken 4 sets n. In the set n, there are numbers from 1 to 10, and set E, all the even numbers from 1 to 10. Set O, odd numbers. Set P, prime numbers. Is E subset of n? E 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Every digit is present in the n. So it returns true value. O is subset of n. So here 11. 11 is not present in n. So it will return false. P is subset of n. Yes, true. So true, false, true. Let's see the output. True, false, true. Yes. The next method is len method. We are very familiar with this len method. The len function returns a number of items or lengths in an object. Syntax is len of yes. So it is a basic one. With an example, I have taken a set with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 elements. Now I'm applying len of n. So it returns 8. The next method is sorted method. Sorted method is used to sort the given elements in ascending order or descending order in a specific order. By default, it will sort in ascending order. So sorted function sorts the elements of a given iterable in specific order and returns the list. So with an example, so if we want to sort the given elements in the reverse order, and the syntax will get reverse equal to false. If we place that one, so the elements will be sorted in the descending order. So I'll explain that. So first v equal to a v after sorting sorted of v will display in ascending order, and n after sorting it will display in the ascending order. If I place reverse equal to true, the same will be displayed in the descending order. So let's see the output. So first v and n, v after sorting. So ascending order means capitals will be placed first and then small letters, small alphabets, lowercase. And after sorting, it will be sorted in ascending order. And if I place a reverse equal to true, it will be sorted in the descending order. And the last two methods are set max and set min. As we have already know, max means it will return the maximum element present in the given set, and minimum it will return the minimum element present in the set. So the max function returns the largest item in an iterable. It can also be used to find the largest item between two or more parameters. To find the largest item, we use the syntax max of iterable. And minimum is also the similar. It will return the minimum element. So let's see the examples. So I've taken the list n, set n, 3, 2, 8, 5, 10, 6, printing n, ma equal to max of n. I'm storing the maximum element from the given set in the ma. So we can observe 10 is the maximum element. So now printing the 10. So the largest number is 10. Similarly, if I take here ma equal to minimum of small letters of n, the smallest number is ma. Now let's see the output. Smallest number is 2. So these are the basic methods in the sets. So by using these methods, we can find many things. Thank you, everyone. Hope this helps you.